Alright, today we have some Paw Patrol surprise containers. Every container is filled with Skittles and Gumballs. And on the front are friends from the Paw Patrol: Chase, Rocky, Marshall, Rubble, Zuma, and Everest. This is the Paw Patrol. Rubble on the double. Chase is on the case. Marshall, Zuma, Everest, Rocky, the Paw Patrol. So, let's see what is in the Rubble Surprise container. Rubble on the double. Look at all the Skittles. Let's see what color these Skittles are. We have a green Skittle. We have a blue Gumball. We have a red Gumball. And a purple Gumball. All in our Rubble Surprise container. Hi guys, I'm Rubble. I love Gumballs. Alright guys, let's see what's inside. What do we have? A Paw Patrol blind surprise bag. Paw Patrol Super Pups. And it is, looks like it is Sky. Now let's open it up and check out Sky. Wow, this is our friend Sky. Hi guys, I'm Sky. Looks like Sky's got a cape and a pink shirt and pink goggles. And her fur is brown. Sky is the girl puppy from Paw Patrol. Hi, I'm Sky. I love to eat gumballs. Let's see what's next. We have a Zuma surprise container full of gumballs. This is Zuma. Hi guys, I'm Zuma. I love it when there's an adventure in Adventure Bay. We call Ryder and the pups come to help. Thanks for watching guys. Check out all the awesome gumballs. Wow. Orange, purple, blue, pink, and look at this. This orange gumball matches Zuma's hat. Zuma is the orange puppy from Paw Patrol. Now, let's see what kind of surprises are hiding in our containers. Check it out. Wow, put it in the bucket. What do we have? We have wow! We have a Blaze and the Monster Machines blind bag. Who is it? It is Skunk Truck. How cool. Let's open him up and check him out. I love Blaze and the Monster Machines. Wow, cool. A Blaze Skunk Truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. 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 Wow, how cool. A Blaze Skunk Truck inside our Zuma. Okay. The next surprise container is Chase. Chase is on the case. Chase is the blue police Paw Patrol puppy. Hi guys, Chase is on the case. And this is filled full of gumballs and Skittles. Do we see a blue one? Here is a blue gumball. The blue gumball matches Chase's blue police officer uniform. Do you like gumballs, Chase? Let's open up this Chase surprise container and see what's inside. Look at all the gumballs. We have in there a Rubble Surprise Bag. Rubble is on the double from the Paw Patrol. It's a Rubble blind bag inside of the Chase surprise container. Let's open up this Rubble blind bag and see what's inside. Look at our Rubble figure. Hi guys, Rubble is on the double. He has a yellow collar and his yellow construction safety hat. How cool. Rubble's fur is dark brown and light brown. Rubble is the construction puppy from Paw Patrol. Rubble loves to dig and build things and help out anytime Ryder needs anything at all. Rubble is on the double. And Rubble also loves to eat snacks. Rubble, do you like Skittles? Yes, I love Skittles. Here you go, Rubble. Okay. Now we have our Rocky surprise container. Rocky is the recycling puppy from Paw Patrol. Rocky loves to help keep nature and the city clean. We really like Rocky. Rocky is the green pup. Look at this green Skittle. It matches Rocky's green shirt. Wow, how cool. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Let's open up this surprise Rocky container and see what's inside. Wow, look who it is. It is Bingo from the Puppy Dog Pals. Hi guys, collar up pups. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Our next container is this Everest Surprise container. Surprise gumballs. Let's see what's inside. There's a surprise in there. Everest, do you like surprises? Woof woof. Yeah, I love surprises. Everest is the snow rescue puppy from Paw Patrol. Look at those cool mountains. Say hi, Everest. Everest is green, yellow, and purple. Look at this purple gumball. This purple gumball matches Everest's fur and Everest's logo. How cool. Everest, do you want a purple gumball? Yes, please. Let's dump out the gumballs in our surprise container and see what's inside. We have an Imagine Next by Fisher-Price Surprise Blind Bag, Series 7. Okay, first, the instructions. Wow, look at these guys. How cool. We have an ocean scene, a SpongeBob SquarePants scene, a dino scene, a pirate scene, a DC Super Friends scene, and a Power Ranger scene. Let's see which one we got. We got how cool. Next figure we found in our Everest Surprise container. Hi guys, our puppy. Marshall drives a fire truck and has a water cannon on his back. Marshall is a Dalmatian, but his is red. What color gumball matches his costume?